I'm going to give y'all the top three $20 popular cocktails that's bound to have everyone asking, when is your next party? It don't matter where you're going, wedding, party, any celebration. I'm guaranteed everybody's gonna have that sex on the beach, that lemon drop, and that Long Island iced tea. We got some recipes that are easy to follow with a garnish charismatic flair, and it's using ingredients at every store to make it bussin'. All right, number one on the top three $20 popular cocktails list. So we're gonna start with that lemon drop. You could put on your menu as the Kiss Me There lemon drop. It got 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of lemon juice mixed with simple syrup, so you can split that half and half. Then you got 1 ounce of triple sec. Some recipes got a half ounce of triple sec, but if you go with 1 full ounce of triple sec, this recipe is gonna have something on. Now you want to shake this up with about a tablespoon of sugar. If you don't want that much sugar, a teaspoon of sugar will be just fine. This is that sweet, simple lemon drop. Now let's move on to number 2 of the top 3 popular $20 cocktail list. You could call it that sexy, and that's that sex on the beach. The reason I'm doing it this way because I don't want you to get caught up on what the sex on the beach looks like. See, this is for the people that just want something cute to sip on. That's that sexy. Got 2 ounces of vodka, half ounce of peach schnapps, half ounce of creme de cassis, about 2 ounces of orange juice, and about 2 ounces of cranberry juice. If your glass is tall, you can double it up. Or if you have the average height glass, you can stick with these ingredients. Now you want to garnish this with pineapples and a sliced orange, and that's that sexy. You just want to focus on what the sex on the beach tastes like so it can accommodate your guests. And plus, you're going to name it something else. You could just use the ingredients, create that sexy, and you're good to go. And number 3 on the top 3 $20 popular cocktails is that lit. The Long Island iced tea, it got a bunch of liquor in it. That's why it's called that long night. And you can make this as strong as you want it. But the basic combo is half ounce of tequila, half ounce of vodka, half ounce of triple sec. Then you're going to come through with a half ounce of rum, half ounce of gin. Then there's a half ounce of a fresh squeezed lemon, and that's just going to make it taste more phenomenal. It's going to counteract all those combination of liquors, and this is the reason why people continue to buy more and more Long Island. But please, make sure your guests know that this is the long night drink. Now with these, you want to shake it up with your ice cubes. You want to shake it up real good. Make sure you get that good, nice blend of all those flavors. The next thing you do, you're just going to top it with the simple cola. But you want to make sure you give it a good shake. Shake it up horizontally. It doesn't really matter because you're going to top it with that cola, and that's going to be that good taste. Between that cola, that triple sec, and that fresh squeezed lemon, that's where that flavor is overpowering the liquor, and it tastes really good. But this is something they need to slow down on. The long night is called the long night for a reason. Now you want to garnish this with some lemon. Stick with Welcome Dishes. I guarantee we're going to give you recipes so that you can make it bussin'. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell.